You're not one of my dick bosses, so can I help you? That's what you're gonna be saying when I'm all inside you with gay sex. You're not one of my dick bosses, so can I help you? I don't recall ever seeing a welcome mat at your back door. No, don't. You're so ugly when you cry. I don't recall ever seeing a welcome mat at your... No, don't. Terms of enrampagement. Team live badass. Take your time. I'm hourly. Hey, seriously. Give me a hand, Joe. I have to go. But if I find one single dog hair when I get back, I'll rub sand in your dead little eyes. See? Hey, phrasing! There's not enough liquor and therapy in the world to undo that. Never leave a paper trail. That's lesson one. Lying is like 95% of what I do. So, does this look as bad as it looks? You're not one of my dick bosses, so can I help you? I don't recall ever... No, don't. Team live... Hey, I have to... Hey! There's not enough, like... Never leave a... Lying is... So, does it... And I've literally had nothing but liquor and mangoes for 3 months. Idiots doing idiot things because they're idiots. I vote Asian chick. I know, right? Hooray for metaphors! Oh, wait, I had something for this. That's what you're gonna be saying when I'm all inside